We advocate for a mindset shift where healthcare and healthcare innovation is seen as a strategic asset. And so the mindset shift that we advocate for is to move as seeing healthcare as a cost and healthcare innovation to seeing healthcare as an investment. And so the more you invest, the more healthy your population will be, and hence the more healthy your economy will be. So what is the concrete actions that we're asking for? One is that we invest more. Currently, Croatia invests 7.7% of their GDP into healthcare. We want to see this increased to at minimum the EU average, which is 10%. And secondly, we want to invite Croatia to action to track the return of investments that they make. Like any good investment, you want to know what are you getting for that investment. And so with this, we would invite that Croatian system more strongly tracks outcomes, health outcomes, so we see the progress that is made with the investments that we're doing. So with this, again, our plea is to see healthcare and healthcare innovation as an investment rather than a cost.